Sister, do it
Okay,
now.
what are we doing? The cinnamon challenge.
Do it!
I got cinnamon everywhere.
Yeah, right.
Melody first. Go, go.
Okay. Is that enough?
Pussy, yeah.
Is that
So
enough?
whoever can hold it in there longest?
Go.
Okay.
Okay.
I got cinnamon everywhere in my hair and nose.
Is it bad?
No, it's just like, it tingles your tongue.
Right.
It's dry.
Oh my god.
Ready?
I got it.
Two,
Oh my god, sorry. Just get out there. Gosh, cameras today.
Come on.
I'm so nervous. Oh, is it good?
Yeah, it's so
Tastes good.
just do this fucking shit or I'm gonna slap you. Don't spit on me.
Eat it, eat it.
Try to.
Okay, next up is me and Maggie. Me and Maggie are going up next.
Okay, give me your fork, Maggie. My fork.
Spoon, give me a spoon.
Dude, I got cinnamon all over me.